My name is Jenny Gafer, and I'm with Top 40 Woodworks, and we're from the west coast of Canada in BC, near Vancouver. We purchased Top 40 in 2022. We couldn't see where the materials were coming from, when they were coming in, if they've arrived. We couldn't see a workflow. We couldn't see where each project manager was in the workflow. There was no workflow. It was really apparent quickly we needed software. July 2022, I was down at the first customer summit. It was earth-shattering for me. Here we saw Harvard business principles applied to an old school industry. And it made such perfect sense to me. When we saw woodworking and business principles brought together in a marriage, it warmed my soul. We knew right away, it was love at first sight. INNERGY has completely changed our company, without doubt. When we bought the company 3 years ago, we were at 10 million. This year, we were tracking for 18 million. 20 next year, and 10-15% each year. If we didn't have the visibility on our processes, we could have never responded. The market could have thrown, a genie in a bottle at us, but if we didn't have the tools to see the visibility and see our processes and be able to stand back and strategize, we wouldn't have been profitable. Every week we're collecting new data. And the other thing too is that data is becoming more reliable. The longer we have that data, the more reliable, the more we can feel that we can confidently act on it. The support from INNERGY is bar none. The framework that INNERGY offers in terms of education is been essential to our company. It brings alignment. The summit virtually, that was amazing. It made it so accessible to so many of our staff. The webinars, the lunch and learns, it's incredible the way that they've put together this platform that makes it so accessible for our entire organization. The framework that they put together about being upstream, being prepared, being early, that's what grows profit. Every company has its own DNA. They have their own market. They've got their own set of clients and challenges. The greatest gift INNERGY has given outside of incredible software to run our company is trained us on how to think differently and trained us to serve this industry in an intelligent, intentional way.